Okay everyone, this is about the simple compact tiny house with a dimension around 6 meter and 2.5 meter, or the length of this tiny house around 20 feet. Okay, so we can see about the exterior. We can look for the very simple tiny house on a wheel over there with several opening. The first opening is the entrance in this side position above the wheel itself, and the second access on the second window, anyway, the second large window on the left side. Okay, and then let we see for the interior of this tiny house. Okay, we can look for the ground floor, anyway, the ground floor with the room arrangement. We can see about the entrance. After the entrance, um, we can see for the bathroom in this area with toilet space and shower cabin space with flexible partition between the toilet and shower cabin. And for the left side, it has kitchen and the cabinet on above, and in front of the kitchen it has small sofas area. Maybe it could be a multifunction use, such as eating and just for relaxing over there. And for the left side, behind on the sofas, it has cabinet with several shelves, so the space are could be useful for anything. So, and then in the left side of this entrance, it has table with a chair, or just like a working table or studying table over there in front of the window, so it could get daylighting. It could get enough of daylighting and maximize of the daylighting. And on the back of the um, work table, it has wardrobe. It has a large enough wardrobe around 1.5 meter of the length. And we can look for the upper floor, or the loft bed, anyway. This is for the loft bed. So for get access for the loft bed, we have to slide this the stair, anyway. We can slide this stair right here. Okay, so it gonna be useful space on this area. And then if we are not using the stair, we just slide on the right side over there, so it could be maximize the space and effectively efficient of the several tools for access to the loft bed over there. And this is with a loft bed also. So the just for the 6 and 2.5 meter of this tiny house on wheel, it could be maximize the space over there, and it could be highly effective and efficiency about the budget, anyway. Okay, that's all. I hope it will be insight to all of you, which is you are searching for the tiny house inspiration, or you are looking for tiny house for sale. Maybe you can make this design to be your preference, so you could get the insightful ideas of it, anyway. And okay, thank you, and just wait for my next video. Thank you.